It's not just the outcome of the verdict, it's the integrity of the process that leads to it. Canton showed what happens when that process fails from the very first minute. Canton, Massachusetts, January 29th, 2022, 6 a.m. Karen Red found John O'Keefe's body lying in the front yard of Brian Albert's house, motionless, cold, buried under the storm that had battered Canton through the night. 4 minutes later, someone called 911. What followed was not a criminal investigation, it was the construction of a story. The night nobody remembers the same way. It started at Canton bars, drinks, friends, police officers, and their families. At 12:24 a.m., O'Keefe's GPS indicated the vehicle stopped in front of 34 Fairview Road. After that hour, the versions split and never converge again. The prosecution argued that Reed, after an argument, ran over O'Keefe while reversing, left him to die in the snow. The defense argued something else. O'Keefe went inside the house, was attacked, his body placed in the front yard before dawn to protect those inside, including a federal agent. Trooper Michael Proctor was assigned as lead investigator. What nobody knew was that Proctor personally knew the Alberts and McCabe's, that he called Reed crazy and a weirdo in text messages, that he wrote to his own sister hoping Reed would kill herself. Those messages surfaced during the 2024 trial. Proctor admitted everything under oath. The investigator who built the case against Karen Reed was the man who hated her most. Red plastic fragments recovered from the yard, allegedly from Reed's Lexus taillight. But the first officers at the scene never saw them. They appeared later after the vehicle was already in police custody. The FBI hired firm ARCCA to reconstruct the accident. Their conclusion, O'Keefe's injuries were inconsistent with being struck by a motor vehicle. Additionally, pathologist Marie Russell identified lacerations on O'Keefe's arm consistent with a German Shepherd bite. The Alberts owned a German Shepherd. A 2025 independent audit revealed Canton officers used red plastic cups to collect blood evidence and leaf blowers to remove snow. Critical interviews were never recorded. The body was never photographed in its original position. July 2024. Proctor suspended without pay. March 2025. Fired from state police. December 2025. Police certification permanently revoked. District Attorney Morrissey announced he would not seek re-election. Only 4% of Norfolk voters still supported him. 15 years in office, ending in political defeat. June 2025. Karen Reed acquitted of murder charges. But the battle didn't end. November 2025. Reed filed a 46-page federal lawsuit alleging evidence tampering, malicious prosecution, and conspiracy against constitutional rights. The O'Keefe family maintains a parallel civil suit. The labyrinth continues. John O'Keefe remains dead. The truth about what happened at 34 Fairview Road that January night still has no official answer. The Canton snow covered many things that early morning. Some still haven't come to light.